Hello students, today we are going to discuss standard 9 mathematics exercise 2.3. So this particular exercise deals with find the remainders. Here basically the dividend is given, the divisor is given, and we have to do the division process, but without doing actually in long division process we have to find the remainders. Here all the dividend and divisor are given in the form of polynomials. So in this section the remainder theorem has been taught, and using this particular theorem we have to find out the remainders. So coming to question number 1, it says find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by some 5 bits are given. That means we have the dividend as this polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and different values of 5 different values of divisor are given. So coming to bit 1, it is given as x plus 1 is the divisor. So while using the remainder theorem we have to make this one equals to 0. So x plus 1 becomes equals to 0. So solving this we got x is equals to minus 1. So directly we have to put this value of x in the given value of p of x, or in the value of dividend. So we have p of x as this much. Now putting in place of x as x minus 1, we will write it as a p of minus 1. So cube of minus 1, square of minus 1 multiplied with 3 plus minus 1 multiplied with 3 plus of 1. So ultimately it is coming as 0, whichever value we got is equivalent to remainder. So as remainder is equals to 0, or value of remainder is coming as 0, that means while we will divide this value with this value we will get a value of 0, remainder as 0. Similarly, coming to second bit, it is given as value of divisor as x minus 1 by 2. So again make it equal with 0. So it is 0, x value is equals to 1 by 2. So in place of p of x we will write p of 1 by 2. So putting x as 1 by 2 we got this value, and solving it we are getting 27 by 8. Whatever value we got, it is equivalent to our remainder. So r is equals to 27 by 8 is the answer. Coming to bit 3, it is given as simply x. That means our divisor is x. So divisor must be equal with 0. So x is equals to 0. So now we will put p of x as p of 0. So again putting this value of 0 we got 1. So here our remainder r becomes is equals to 1. Coming to bit 4, we have divisor as x plus pi. So here we have to make x plus pi as 0. So x becomes equals to minus of pi. So p of pi will be equals to cube of minus pi plus square of minus pi multiplied with 3 plus minus pi multiplied with 3 plus last one we have 1. So solving this one, cube of minus pi will be minus pi cube. We are not going to put the value of pi, simply we will keep it as pi, and it becomes 3 pi square. Square of minus pi square multiplied with 3 minus pi 3 minus 3 pi plus of 1. So this value is equivalent to our remainder. Coming to its last bit, divisor is given as 5 plus of 2x. So again make it equal with 0. So x will come as minus 5 by 2. Putting x as minus 5 by 2, we will write p of minus 5 by 2. Again it's a cube, square multiplied with 3, x multiplied with 3 plus of 1. So again opening this one, cube of 5 as 125, again in minus, cube of 2 8. Similarly this one will come, and taking the LCM and solving we will get minus 27 by 8 as our remainder. Coming to question number 2, it is given find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. So here we have given our dividend as p of x, we have given our divisor as q of x, and it is asking to find out the remainder. So First work is to make the divisor as 0. So x minus a becomes equals to 0. So x is equals to a. Now simply put this value of x in place of p of x. So it will come as cube of a minus square of a multiplied with a plus a into 6 minus of a. So a cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a. So this a cube cancelled out. Remaining is plus of 5a. So remainder will be 5a. Next, coming to question number 3. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus of 7x. That means p of x or dividend is given as this one, divisor is this one, and we have to find whether this one is a factor of this one or not. Students, here remember that this one is a factor of this one if and only if when remainder is equals to 0. That means it is completely divisible by this one. So if r is equals to 0, then q of x is a factor of p of x. We know this. So first, in order to find the remainder, make this equals to 0 and put that value of x in place of p of x. So 3x plus 7 is equals to 0. X is coming as minus 7 by 3. So p of minus 7 by 3 will come as minus 7 by 3 is cube multiplied with 3 plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. So this value is coming. And here see a larger value is coming, but no need to calculate it, because ultimately we can see that this value is not equals to 0. So simply write it here as it is. This value is not equals to 0. That means r naught is equals to 0. So q of x is not a factor of p of x. So with this we have completed our exercise 2.3. Thank you.